here. Is that why it stopped to go?
I
Nah, I
would
think we're
copy.
gonna go lower, bro.
I mean, right
But
now, yeah, it's gonna go lower. Yeah, I like the lower to the 15. Let me see what it do though. Dude,
perfect. I work from home next week, Monday, Tuesday. I'm in the office Wednesday and Thursday.
Wednesday,
No,
Thursday. That sucks.
I don't really give a shit. I'd rather have a back-to-back days that I have to go in for than Reese. Fuck you doing, my nigga? I don't like that stupid shit. All right, calm your titties down, nigga. Yeah, don't text me back. Yeah. Mm-hmm. You'll get fucked around here.
Girl, why you crying? You don't do no work.
What's it looking like? Asia, take it.
Asia will be taken right now.
I would like a nice continuation all the way to the downside. That's what we're looking for. We have New York AM lows too.
If it leaves this Asia till 9:45, that would be cool. Asia taken?
Oh yeah, we're gone, baby. We're gone. Oh, massive rejection from Mari. From Mari.
Any 30
But you
second
got pro or
knowledge?
you got flex?
Flex.
You got the trade C?
No.
Oh, I should have gotten that. That's just cool.
No, that's just ah. Oh
Cool, bro.
shit. The 30 second though. Yo, mark that 30 second, bro. Dude, that would be sick if you get that.
This Loki, if this inverses, this Loki would be a good fucking continuation to the upside too.
Yeah, I would try that 30 second.
Yeah. It's showing a lot of weakness to the downside. My book map is saying that there's a lot of orders at 420. They're inside of a VWAP right now. La mañana café con la nareron. La gaya gane yo casuatong. La mañana café.
Any inverse to the upside here will be taken.
How expensive are we today, fellas? Holy shit. We're looking like we're gonna risk $500 today on a trade. Yeah, I don't think we're gonna go up higher today, bro. I think we're gonna run down to this thing, man.
Dude, we're already inside the 15. And the 1 hour and the 4 hour. And we
Oh my god,
inversed the
it's
1
30
hour
seconds.
yesterday. It's just a pullback, bro. We want to go higher. How ES looking? Same shit. Wait, 15? Oh shit. ES
It's
doesn't
another
have
30 seconds gap right here.
ES
It's about
doesn't
to
have a
inverse
good
it.
15.
Is he gonna inverse it?
Why ES look like that?
It looks like you wanna inverse it
Uh,
in the 30 seconds. We'll see. Nope. Respected it. Oh shit, there he goes. Liquidity sweep and a 30 seconds V-shaped recovery?
nope.
Nah, they rejected it. Is there another liquidity? Yo, this short looks really good. I'm not gonna lie.
Shorts to wear.
To New York.
New York? That's way too deep, bro. We're bullish, and then we have the 15, 1 hour, and 4 hour gap. Like, there's no reason why we should move there, though.
Oh, 30 seconds inversed?
Nah, not a strong inverse. I mean, I guess. Maybe like a
Did it
change
end
in a state right there.
in the
Mark,
pullback?
mark that change in a state on the one, on the 30. On the 30, not there. That's not changing the state, bro. Right there. On the body
Which
of that.
one?
No, it's the white candle with the long wick. The body of it. No. Holy shit. You don't know what CISD is, bro. Like, why you trading? Look, we already CISD, but we
This
CISD into a gap. Yeah.
massive rejection from the 1 minute. 30 seconds. Massive rejection.
I don't know about this, man. 5 minute. It's a 5 minute.
30 seconds
I got
rejection.
this.
30 seconds inversing again to the downside. I'm liking the idea of shorts here. But we'll see, man.
Where the toilet is? You gotta go back here.
Yo, boy, where are you, bro?
I'm here, bro.
Your lungs pulled back to that inverse.
Nah, bro. Doesn't look good. It's probably gonna wanna go one more lower, maybe take down that low. You know how CISD works, right? I don't
No,
think you do.
no, I don't.
You see how it creates a low and a lower low and then another lower low and then a higher high? The higher high breaks the lower low. So how does that trend go? Huh? I can't go in the 30, so I can't really explain. Go start over there. Yeah, that big candle right there, up there, up there. More? No, to the left.
Oh, here.
Yeah, that whole move down is not that one, bro. Series of down close candles. Series of down close candles. All right, we don't got time to be teaching right now. You're fucking worthless.
Yeah,
Holy
you can teach me
shit.
later on.
We'll wait for the other 30. But we'll be inside the 5 when that happens. Nah, I don't think I should trust 30-second, bro. Maybe if it breaks this low again, I'm just gonna look at the 1 minute. The 30 seconds has a lot of manipulation. Dude, go watch a video on changing the state, dude. I'll let you know when we have a trade. Go to Justin Werline shit, bro.
$200 a week on takeout. Award-winning trading app that is as easy to set up as your favorite playlist. Voted most popular broker 2022 by TradingView Awards. Open an account at www.owanda.com. Leverage trading is high risk. Losses can exceed deposits. One of the most important things to be able to identify when to actually take a setup and know when the market actually wanted to move is a change in the state of delivery. Now, you might have heard of break of structure, and they're very similar. In this video, I'm going to show you why I use change in the state, how it also correlates with displacement and sweeping, and so that you're able to betterly identify where you should be actually taking your setups. Maybe you're taking them too early, maybe you're taking them too late, and I'm going to basically run you through what is a change in the state of delivery, show you some examples, what you should be looking for within the market to better entries in general. So without further ado, let's jump in and let's run through what is a change in the state of delivery. Now, a change in the state of delivery is basically a break of structure, and the difference between the two is it's measured by the candle and it's not measured by the wick. So right now I have it drawn out, and I'll show you what I mean when we get into some candlestick versions of this. But what it basically is doing is it's showing a change in the state of delivery in order flow, right? If the market has been selling off and we've been consistently going lower, it's basically a sign that the market is now going to reverse and go hunt some some other area of liquidity. Now, what we need to understand about change in the state of delivery and how the market works, because you need to understand this needs to have context behind it. And the context is, where is the draw on liquidity? So if I see a bullish change in the state, which is the market comes back lower, we take some sort of internal low, and then we displace through that, right? We end up getting bought up, displacing through that recent high. For this to make sense and for the context to be validated of
Look at the
this,
30.
some form of buy side liquidity that is resting above us for us to go take that high. Now, in the short example, the same thing. We come up, we have some sort of internal manipulation where the market sweeps the high, we come through, fail to displace, end up selling all the way back down. We displace lower through this recent low. But again, for this to work in the context, we need to have some sort of sell side liquidity resting below, right? If you don't know what liquidity is, I'll leave a link in the description so you guys can go watch my liquidity video to better understand this and then jump back over to this video. So now that we have a basic understanding, this is just the basic formation. I want you to look at this first. The main things that we identify is manipulation. What is manipulation? It's one last move in the opposing direction. So if the market ends up coming down, then breaking higher through that swing low, that is where, or through that swing high, that is where we can validate a change in the state of delivery. Now, let me show you what it looks like on a candlestick and what the difference between change in the state of delivery and a break of structure is. Now, a lot of the times what I see traders end up doing is they have the right bias the majority of the times, but they end up taking a trade either too early, then they get stopped out, then they don't have the conviction to re-enter. So this is a really good example. This was Wednesday, and this was a short in the morning going into New York Open. Now, what I want you to recognize is all of this liquidity that is now getting built up at these lows. So to the left of us, we have a 15-minute fair value gap, and at this point in time, I'm looking for the market to either affirm or deny a bearish bias. Now, if I need to be bearish bias, and I want to be bearish bias just from where we are in price action, I need to see internal manipulation. So a lot of the times people will jump into the market, somewhere around here, and they'll be targeting all the way back to the lows for the market to come stop them out and then ends up building more price action. Now, how do we end up avoiding this? There's a couple things that we want to be looking for. Number one, a change in the state of delivery, but also displacement. So what I want you to notice is the market will chop, and then here we end up coming up, putting in a SMT, which is a divergence between NQ and ES, and then we end up closing below these series of down close candles. You can see right here, we end up pulling back, I'm waiting, and boom, right here. So what we're looking for, and what is a change in the state of delivery, is it is the last series of up closed candles or down closed candles that gets displaced through and closed below. The difference between this and a break of structure is a break of structure is measured by the swing low, and this is measured by the series of down close or up close candles. So if we look at this case and we look at this as the last move higher before closing below, this would be my change in the state. It's the series of these up close candles. So these three up close candles I mark at the bottom of the candle, not the wick, but the candle low, as my change in the state of delivery. And as soon as we end up closing a below, notice we kind of have a hesitation here where we come back here, we end up, not really closing below fully or not really displacing before coming up, rebalancing to this fair value gap, and then rolling back over and getting ready to displace through. This is where I would be looking to take a short once we've now built this structure and started to displace towards the downside. Now, there's a couple things that I want you to understand when looking to take entries, and the easiest thing that you can do to validate an entry is all just based off of displacement. So if the market is running back higher and we're generating liquidity and you're looking to take a short, I could look at this and say, okay, well, the internal high got taken, I want to see us move lower. But the biggest thing that I'm looking for is displacement. What is displacement? Displacement is simply a follow through a swing low or a swing high. So when we end up coming up, notice I'm looking for a manipulation leg higher, right? For the market to move lower, I want to see the market move higher first. I want to see some sort of buy side liquidity get taken and then fall back down inside the range. Now, for me to be confident that we want to reverse and go towards, let's say, these recent lows that we ended up putting in, I need to see displacement through the swing low, right? So let's say that the candle formation is around here, and the last series of up close candles is my change in the state. I want to see the market displace through this, right? Not just come down and sweep it. Now, for example, like this other one, we could come down, maybe sweep it, and then start to reject. And as soon as we then get a below it, and we actually see the market through, that is where I want to look to take my short entry to target whatever the opposing. This is one of the things that is going to help you from getting stopped out so often and so early, because either you're trying to take a position early or you're not waiting for the right confirmation. So what you need to wait for is whenever understanding of the draw liquidity, which is some sort of highs or lows that you're targeting, wait for displacement through that low or through that high to then take your entry, targeting whatever the opposing liquidity is. So let's look at some other examples. We'll go back at price action. I'll basically run you through what I would be looking for.
Yeah, I know what you're thinking. Just add a little extra protection.
Tom has insuranoia.
So what I'm going to do is I'm going to scrunch this. Basically run you through what I'm looking for in the day to be able to understand basically where the market might want to go. So when I'm looking at this, what I'm going to be noticing is I'm going to draw my extra buy side where we can potentially go internally to the downside right here. And I want to start looking at where we are in price action. So first thing that I want to notice is we are generating a lot of sell side opportunity down here. So I'm going to mark this as my internal sell side. And I can notice we also just took this little high to the left of us. And I want to mark if there's any sort of bearish efficiency that we're currently in on the 1 hour for the bigger time frames. There is a 1 hour bearish inefficiency here. Once I can look at this area and I want to know what am I looking for taking entry, I'm looking for manipulation. So literally right now what I'm looking at is the market about to open in a minute. And the first thing that I notice is all of these internal highs have now been taken. Once these internal highs have been taken, and notice we lack displacement, the market comes up and we sweep it. We do not follow through it. If we were to follow through it, then I'd want to see the market go back to this previous high. But I don't then this would be I take last period of close candles. In another confirmation to add on to this if we have a fair value gap that gets ran, notice the market comes up, and again, the logic here. Why does this make sense for the market to go lower? Because buy side's been taken, we've ended up generating all of this sell side that we have not yet taken. The secret time, look at their decks to the low here. The market's been having bearish order flow this entire time as well. So once we've ended up below the stage of delivery, this is where I take my short entry. We end up opening below. I put my stop loss at the same time that we ended up having some manipulation leg, and I'm targeting the opposing like everything which I'm looking for. There's things that I want you to notice from this example, and we're going to continue to look at some more examples. The logic behind with a bigger time frame as well, downside order.
Dude, why is Justin Werlane fucking yapping, bro? He's not even getting to it. No.
You drink
So this is what I'm looking for to take an entry, right? Waiting for the market to change.
Oh shit. Might get something here.
Like, and then targeting the upcoming. What I'm gonna do again? Actually, let's do another one. I'm gonna go back and do it again, right? Can we identify a confident trend? Where do we want to go? Don't start looking at this. Until you kind of prices.
Oh, we finally tap into this 5 minute from back then.
Just this.
This is gonna hold. 5 minute closes in 20 seconds. It looks like it's holding.
This one out.
I want to watch to see if it wants to.
This will be entry right here, bro.
This internal low, right? There's equal lows actually resting below us here.
5 minutes, about to close in 9 seconds. This would be a really good one.
Then there would be no trade point. If we end up sweeping this, then I would be looking back to the next. So we end up. We start.
I love that you eat that small amount. That's good.
Yeah.
Good. It's very good for in the mornings.
40 seconds on this 1 minute.
30-second time frame, there might be an internal change in state, but at this point in time, I'd probably expect the market to. Alright, let's pick another point in price action. We'll go right here, 9 o'clock. Alright, so here's another example going market open. Now notice, buy side to the left of us is nothing taken. There's an internal intermittent sell side here, but most likely all the way back down here we are sell side liquidity. Now, need to be bearish. Again, I hate to see
Yeah, we respected that 5 minute gap down there. Might be a good one. No. Fucking worthless. 30 seconds, second like. Fucking nothing. Fucking
Let's see a
worthless.
30. Yeah, bro.
Plugging away on this issue and thank you for your own advocacy.
This one I can look to wait for a pullback into this 5-minute fair value gap. And this is where I would be looking to take a short entry. I'll put my stop, the recent candle high that's of that 5-minute fair value gap, and I would be targeting the opposing liquidity. Now, again, I'm waiting for confirmation that the market doesn't want to go higher. When I see the market open, if we're super bullish, and then this is higher, you just get
Instead of a 5 and a 15 right now.
back the downside, right? Buy says liquidity has been taken. We generated all of this accumulation to then have manipulation and then distribution, right? This is what we call power of three. We have this accumulation range, and then we end up having this manipulation leg to then expect to see distribution to the downside. So let's see how this ends up playing out. The market ends up going lower, and then finally ending up taking that after the change in the state of
My sisters and I are going to Save by the Mac. It's basically the pop-up restaurant like they had in Saved by the Bell. It's just a dream come true. This like we're at the Max, you guys. Right? So Kelly Kapowski. And our waiter's name is Zach. And it's really his name.
Do you want to manipulate one more time?
Wants to dip more.
No, let me fix my chart, bro. This shit looks retarded.
liquidity. And then I'm looking also what is my internal liquidity. This would be my upside, and this would be
1 hour is gonna close as this, dude. It's gonna be. This is not gonna be good if this closes like
but I'm
this.
waiting for a close above that 5-minute fair value gap. Notice, or 5-minute change in the state, sorry, we end up coming up, failing to break this, and then going lower again, right? So now we have another form of internal manipulation. And when I zoom out, I want to see again for me to go with number one, we want to go lower, but not really anything I can do. If I look at the movement, there actually might have been a control change in the state here once we took the side to go back. But I would want to be simple as well. What would I wait for? Close above the down close candles that we have. This would end up becoming my change in the state of delivery. And notice, this is the sign that I'm looking for right there.
No, it's not recent. Is that 600 years old?
Look to take back towards these actual highs, right? So now notice we've had internal manipulation, we've had a strong change where the market sells off, and then it's that position, and then now we end up closing below that down close candle. And normally what I'll do is I'll always zoom out to different time frames to see the confirmation. So on the 5-minute time,
This would be a good one.
Yeah.
This inverses.
If anything, this might be it right here. And first, did you see that SD? Gets that high.
you want to validate it with all of the time frames both. So we'll see how this ends up playing out. The market ends up going higher, and we end up working out that morning delivery. So the main thing that I want you to understand and how we can anticipate or react to having a change in state of delivery is number one, looking for risk and in this way. Right? The market ends up coming down at open, and we end up slow 3 times, right? We take it once, don't go lower, rebounds back higher. Take it twice, don't go lower. Take it 3 times, don't go lower, right? When we try to go lower 3 times, and each time that we take that internal and we sweep it, and then this move to get we run through this bearish fair value gap, right? Showing us it's starting to see signs that it does want to go higher. Once we break through this, we wait for our change, look to see a continuation towards whatever the is there a post? Is there some reason context within looking for a sweep liquidity to then understand, okay, if we want to go through just another ICT concept to memorize. It's the lens in which affirms all the other context. Market you'll start getting a lot more. Go back to your chart, start testing these examples, build confidence with it, then work your way up.
Definitely think the last year
time, testing ideas, market change, yourself where you can move on. If you're starting to move entries and ending up getting early or maybe missing the position, wait for the market to obviously show you want to switch, right? Use the analogy that I always use is
Holy shit.
you're able to clearly identify and say, oh, that's really right, but I'm going to wait for in front of me that the market tells me where I'm expecting. Stay with this participant and then take your time.
I'll pay.
Hopefully that's the video and I'll see you guys.
Well, they would never know that. I'm just saying.
Fuck over.
You guys, it's really top secret. We don't want anyone to know until it happens.
You were right, bro. But there's no entry to go lower.
My phone carrier was reaching their hand into my wallet, helping themselves. I like having no surprises from helping myself.
Gonna be a pullback somewhere, bro. With all this move down, there's always gonna be a move up.
Yeah. But that would mean it's not gonna be all the way. It's just gonna pull back to like a 15 or something. If it leaves this New York AM lows, where I like shorts.
Blow.
We're gonna have a pullback continuation to New York.
Yeah. That's what I'm looking at now because the 1 hour closed so hard. Like that's a fucking fat candle, dude.
And why this observer approach is a part of your edge and how you can start implementing this immediately. So let me give you an example of what I think many of you are going through. You can tell me if I'm wrong, and I'll give you a couple examples. So
Bro, this is looking good. Built up LR on the fucking 1 minute. I mean 30 seconds. Even 1 minute.
But then we'll have to clear these two.
This inverses, I might take along here to that fucking 5 minute gap.
Yeah. It needs to clear these two though.
low gets taken, market comes back up, you're like, oh my gosh, I'm ready to take a long.
I'll take a long with you here.
Market does this. And stop shot. You're like, oh, it wasn't ready yet. All right, I got to stop shot.
I'm gonna take a stab.
Wait,
Two.
there's a gap on top.
Stop and play, and then maybe the market does.
We gotta clear both of those.
The market does this, and then it. First of all, you might be sitting here being like, Dan, you called me out, and that's the whole point is to show you like ice, the exact same thing, and I'm going to tell you how you can get around this. This is a main problem.
Just wanna know, do you like me or not?
Or you wanna front run a pullback?
If you are looking for the confirmation or think that there is confirmation,
You wanna wait or you wanna front run a pullback?
the specific.
We'll see what it wants to do here. We're just gonna have a fat stop loss though.
Oh, what the hell? Found it.
Yeah, how fat will it be? No, we could just put it under this little gap.
Eyes as the draw. I need to see a market structure shift or a break structure change in standard delivery from all the same thing to validate that they're
Or if this inverts to the downside right here, dude, we go shorts right here.
Yeah, that's also good to New York.
Or more. Because if it moves
Yeah,
like
this is
this, it wants
looking good
to
for shorts too.
maybe it wants to go all the way down here to this gap.
Wanna front run this or no?
No. 62 points.
that break structure and we'll take care of that by such right? So if you sure have a break of structure, the break of structure needs to be in correlation to whatever the highs is industry generating. If there's buys that will be up here, this change in the state is not the one that validates it. This change in the state validates pricing to this price. This buy side is so what happens here?
Oh,
You're taking
we're
the
gonna enter
intraday
soon.
validates the internal move that's
Oh.
not validated. So
No.
you're
respected it, dude.
To then validate the expectation.
Gay.
A lot of times this will either number one fail because there's the draw and the word to use very narrative, right? Trying to catch and snipe a thought.
Now we gotta wait for that second gap to inverse.
Then actually get a change, or we'll take this, then come back down.
We gotta see which one get disrespected first, man.
It's just we generate internal buy side to then actually have get taping and then actually displace through.
The 30 seconds did inverse too. Clean as fuck.
Oh shit.
You wanna do my nigga?
Nope.
Another inverse?
Another inverse on a 30?
I mean, the 5 got respected.
Yeah. The last presented 5.
I might want to take a stop for a long here.
Too early though. You see the market's doing? We're bouncing back and forth with 2 gaps. That's both holding.
We want another manipulation down. And then I'm gonna move up. Because the 2-minute did get respected. There's a 2-minute. Oh, wait, no, that's not a 2-minute gap. No.
It's about to get inverse to the downside. Is he going to? See, it's staying. They don't want us to have an entry, dude.
Displacement equals fair value gap. Because when a fair value gap is formed, it is an inefficiency, meaning the market expands.
We're respecting the 30 seconds so hard.
Which 30?
What of the time most likely happens here? Open up a bullish fair value gap that then gets rebalanced.
Which 30?
Never mind. There's a bearish candle here.
Doesn't know what to do from here.
Stuck. Oh my god, I love the market.
Like this whole week, just didn't want to fucking give a shit.
We do have a 1 hour gap down here too.
We got a bunch of shit, dude.
We got a bunch of shit down here. And even if there's really not much liquidity to grab. Look at all these LRs, bro. A nice V-shape fucking would have been amazing, fucking breaking through that whole thing. Maybe another manipulation?
It's gonna take New York PM now.
I just need to shut the fuck up, bro. Fucking.
If there's a pullback on this, like a fat pullback to close this gap, we should take it short.
Like that one?
Yeah, I'm taking it right here.
That's a get.
Stops over there. I'm going for that 1 hour gap.
Yeah, me too.
Like the end of that gap. See what it wants to do.
1-to-2 ratio.
I should have a tight stop on this. The third candle.
I could have had a better entry. Fucking A. I might get fucked here. How much you risking?
Like I think four. Yeah, you had a pretty shit entry.
Shitty entry. No, I answered when it was up here, but the answer went down here for some fucking reason.
God damn, dude.
I'll pull back to this guy.
Okay, that's pretty good. That's good candle formation. I'm gonna break even at New York PM. Oh, take it.
I broke even. Yo, fuck the break even. I'm just risking it, bro.
No,
There
no,
he
no, no,
goes.
no. Cause this is good. It's EOD. Look, it's about to
I'm out.
take my TP.
I'm out.
Take it, take it.
I'm all out there, boys.
Come on, come on. There he goes.
Come on,
Come
man.
on,
Patience, nigga.
come on,
Patience,
come on.
nigga.
Ben,
Holy fucking
12,
god. How much you got?
1200, 1200.
I'm happy with my 1100, bro. Or
Yeah,
one
11. That's
nigga.
fucking good. We just needed what 400 for cause you just needed 400 for like the 50%, dude. We got 50%, dude. Holy shit! Look at that! Look at that, bro.
You
What a
fucking
fucking
trade,
entry!
bro. Holy shit, man.
Good fucking shit. Let's go. Let's go, Dama. Come on. That's why I didn't want to use beta trade T, bro. It's still beta, bro. Like you failed you so shit. You would have had the same entry as me.
Yeah, when you said I'm answer here, I answered right away. I went on that pullback too.
Yeah. Told you if it was like a fat pullback that closed that gap, no, that shit was over, dog. Yo, good thing I didn't have a tight stop right there. Like I would have got taken out and then it would have went.
WKW fast time W stand
Nigga, we
W.
were done in fucking 3 minutes. Three candles.
Nigga, that candle just fucking skadoosh.
Ripped. That shit
Nigga,
ripped, dude.
I was down like 160. I was like, fuck. I was like, oh my god, it's got me. Oh my god, I'm right there. Nope.
Uh,
W fucking trade, and this is going lower, bro, to fucking
yeah,
London.
this shit.
Fuck.
I don't know where the fuck this shit's going, bro, but this is true day open there.
W
Holy shit.
fucking trade, bro. Oh my god.
It gave us no entry besides that one, bro. Like, that wasn't even like a good ass fucking
Yeah.
entry, but
Let's see if PJ took that. He definitely used that breaker, bro.
yeah, he probably used some type of breaker. We
Like
used
this.
discretionary trading today. We
Yeah,
knew
I
it was
mean, it was
going.
too
We knew
obvious.
like lower was obvious, and it left the fucking New York PM low there for us. New York AM low. I mean,
Dude, we dropped fucking 70 points in one fucking candle, bro.
yeah. Holy shit.
Oh my god, that was a fucking banger, man. That was a fucking banger.
Yeah, that shit was sweet.
And we didn't have to take L's today.
Yeah, man. Cause we gotta be
First
patient, bro.
new account. Yeah, that was like W patience. Like the communication we had. Yo, inverse Nana, bro. Wait for this guy. Look at
Yeah,
this shit.
yeah.
Look at this shit.
You wanted to fuck. Yo, you wanted to front run twice, bro. Had to stop your ass. I was like, yo, wait.
W discretionary stop. Oh man, I'm gonna have a fucking good day today, bro. Holy shit.
We're gonna pass these accounts maybe before.
Before ending on next week, for sure.
Yeah, maybe Monday.
Nigga, we keep this up, it's over. Nigga, this is like the new fucking. This is. Yo, I'm about to make a YouTube, bro. Guys, new rules. Trade with a friend. I'm gonna fucking become famous off that shit. Please tell me you got that on fucking live.
It did.
Oh my god, this is gonna be so fucking cool, man. Watching that shit.
My execution was there too. I gotta start drawing shit, bro. Like the what's my entry? My entry was
Oh
here.
my god, the entry was like right here. I had a shitty entry. Yeah, I had like a couple points entry than you.
Where was my stop? My stop was here on these equal highs.
Oh my god, look at that. This shit ripped, dude. This is
Holy
160 points.
shit, dude. Those are fat candles too, bro. Those are not little fucking baby candles, dude.
No, man. This is like one of the ones.
Yeah, bro. I mean, we have consistency on these flex, so we're not even mad that it ripped. Like, if I didn't have
I knew,
consistency,
bro.
I definitely would have went lower for this. But
I knew we were gonna tap into that 4 hour gap, bro. Like,
yeah,
look
bro.
at that 4 hour, bro. It's about to close too. Well,
Yeah,
it already closed.
the way I thought about it is because when the first, when 10 hits and that 1 hour close like that, you see how fat it closed.
Yeah,
Usually means, bro, you're not gonna get a pullback. You're not gonna get a pullback or a fucking inverse to the upside, dude. That shit's just gonna
dude.
rip.
Do you know that
This
means?
is gonna have a massive pullback to the upside though later on the
Oh,
day.
later, yeah, yeah, yeah.
Like
Like,
after
bro,
we tap into this 4 hour, it's gonna
dude,
have
we
a
just
mess.
grab all liquidity. London, another Asia, New York PM, lunch, everything, dude.
Every
Two-day
fucking thing.
open. Holy shit, we just grabbed
Bro,
everything.
bro, the minute I saw when before market open, bro, we fucking swept liquidity up here. And like if you look at like London session and all that stuff, like up there, it got taken already. I'm
Yeah.
like, bro, there's no liquidity to grab that up there. Like what the fuck is he gonna grab? My dick? Like
Yeah,
no.
even if we
Got
took
a
this
V shape?
L, even if we
Like
took this L here, like that would mean that would indicate me to fucking go longs here because like it shouldn't go up anymore after
like
respecting
bro,
that and then fucking inversing it.
look at this. Look at this market structure. Go all the way up and go to the 1 minute. Bro, look at that V-shaped recovery and literally a London swept. Dude, look at this. Look at this whole trade. This is the whole idea that I've been looking at the whole day, bro. Like
Yeah.
when I saw market, I was like, dude, this is looking like really sharp short today, bro.
Yeah, it's just it didn't give us no fucking entry anywhere besides
No.
here.
If you answered fucking that fucking 840 and held it for 2 hours, holy shit. You're a
Yeah.
millionaire.
And then it would
Good for you.
just pull back, but there's no inverse to the downside. It would just go. But here we got it. We got a pullback and an inverse. It wasn't the cleanest inverse, but it's something.
No, nigga, we took it before the fucking flush, bro.
Yeah, right before a minute before.
Literally, like 1 minute before, we were only drawdown for like 100 something,
Yeah,
almost two.
yeah. How much
I
was I
was
in
ready to take
drawdown?
that risk. See, bro, breaking even, man. Oh my god, that flush was insane, bro. A fucking flush was nasty, man.
Let's see how much I was in drawdown. I had my shit right here.
I had the compass right here.
It's the highest 270. I was in drawdown for
We were done
270.
in 2 minutes and 19 seconds.
Yeah, bro. World
Uh,
record.
hold on. Can I
Event.
see my drawdown? Oh, they charged me $3 for this shit.
Oh shit.
Yeah, that's fucked up, bro.
Good shit, bro.
Yo, my nigga, that's fucked up, bro. Yeah, it was literally this whole candle. Dude, this shit is sick, man. Compass?
Yeah, I need them to have more time with that. It just launched. That's just
I have a 100% win rate, fellas. Let's
I got
go.
50, I got 58 points out of that.
I got like, shit, 58 probably too, because I didn't target the bottom of that 1 hour. I only targeted,
Then you
dude, that
had
was a
less
nice
because you had a
flush.
lower
200 less, so like we're talking about probably 10 points.
yeah.
Not even like 5 points maybe.
It's for sure 200 less, $200 less.
Oh my god, that was a fucking massive W trade, bro. Done before 11, man. 10:30. You would have went to work right now.
Yeah. Would have went to work happy. Happy. Easy shit. Alright, I gotta sort real quick. Enjoy your time. BRB. Let me ask if I could play like after.